In stainless steel welding, the color of the weld bead indicates the quality of the weld. In this video, I'll explain step by step clearly and simply what the colors formed while stick welding stainless steel mean. First, it's necessary to understand why these colors form. On the surface of stainless steel, there's a very thin chromium oxide layer that prevents rusting. When this area is exposed to high heat during welding, the surface reacts with the oxygen in the air. As a result of this reaction, the oxide layer thickens and different colors form around the weld bead. As the color darkens, we can understand that more heat entered the part and the protective surface layer of the stainless steel was more damaged. So, what do these colors formed on the weld bead mean? Light gold. Light gold is the ideal weld bead color. This color shows that the amperage, travel speed, and arc length are set correctly. It also indicates that the protective oxide layer isn't overly damaged and corrosion resistance is largely preserved. Light blue. The light blue color is an indicator that the heat input is starting to increase. This color usually shows that travel speed and arc length are appropriate, but the amperage is a bit high for the part. It's still at an acceptable level in terms of corrosion resistance. If your weld bead is in light blue tones, you can achieve the ideal light gold color by lowering the amperage slightly. Dark blue, purple. Dark blue and purple colors are an indicator that the heat input is excessive. These colors usually show that the amperage is high, the travel speed is slow, or the arc length is kept too long. At this level, corrosion resistance starts to drop significantly and the stainless steel becomes more vulnerable to rusting. Therefore, it's essential to use a passivation chemical after welding. The passivation process helps the protective oxide layer reform on and around the weld bead. If your weld bead is in dark blue and purple tones, amperage should be lowered, arc length shortened, and light gold tones targeted with a more balanced travel speed. Gray and black. Gray and black colors are an indicator that there are multiple errors. These colors usually show that the arc length was kept long, there's oil or dirt on the surface, the electrode is damp, or the wrong electrode was chosen. If your weld bead is in gray and black tones, you can achieve the ideal light gold weld color by watching the How to Stick Weld Stainless Steel video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we've explained step by step what the colors formed while stick welding stainless steel mean. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more stick welding tutorials. See you in the next video.